Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Education World. So today in this video we are going to learn about homophones. So first let me make you understand what does mean by homophones. What are homophones? Homophones are nothing but the words which are having similar pronunciation but they are differ in its meaning. What are homophones? The words which are having same pronunciation but they are different in its meaning. So here once I have a look at the following are considered as homophones. What is the first one? Affect and effect. Affect which starts with A whereas effect which starts with E. So what is the exact meaning of affect? Affect is nothing but to influence, whereas effect which means result of change. The second one is heroine. Heroine is nothing but an actor. Who is your favorite heroine? Whereas heroine which means drug. And the third one is waste. Here waste, what is the exact meaning of waste? Here waste, it is body part. Now the waste, here the meaning of waste is garbage or useless. We can say that we should not waste our time. So these are the following homophones. But now in this video I am gonna create better sense of understanding on these words affect versus effect. So once have a look at how do we use affect and effect. What is the exact meaning of affect and effect? Affect is always used as a verb. It is always used as a verb, whereas effect is used as a noun. Affect means to influence or cause someone or something, whereas effect means the result of change. Result of change. So we will come to know the proper usage of affect in the following sentences. Here have a look at the first sentence. What is the first sentence? Did the noise affect your sleep? Did the noise affect your sleep? For example, and somebody is getting sound sleep in your house. At the time the children are making noise. So due to the noise he might be woke up from the sleep. So here you are asking the question, and did the noise affect on your sleep? Which means due to the influence of noise he might be woke up from the sleep. So in this situation we can say that did the noise affect your sleep? What is the meaning of affect? To influence. And once have a look at the second sentence. What is the second sentence? Junk food really affects our health. Junk food really affects our health. It means if we take the junk food, it influence on our health. Now the third one is shops were badly affected by the fire. What is the third one? Shops were badly affected by the fire. Now we will come to know the proper usage of effect. What does mean by effect? Result of change. Now have a look at the first sentence. The pollution in the city had a bad effect on us. The pollution in the city had a bad effect on us. The second one, the effect of regular exercise are great for us. It means if we do the exercise, we can bring the change. So the effect of regular exercise are great for us. What is the third one? The crisis had a negative effects on trade. The crisis had a negative effects on trade. Furthermore, we came to know that affect it is used as a verb, whereas effect it is used as a noun. So we know that the verb always lies in the middle of the sentence, whereas the noun always it lies in the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. So in the following examples you can see the affect it take place of verb, which means it always lies in the middle of the sentence, and effect either it comes in the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. So this is one of the homophone affect versus effect. I hope you understood the difference between affect and effect. So we will meet in our next video. If you really like and appreciate this video, please subscribe my channel Education World and click on the bell icon button.